Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of no battery detected on your laptop or laptop dies quickly when you unplug the charger, or even if the battery shows some glitch in time remaining error, how you can fix all that. Now in order to fix that, just simply right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. In the device manager list you need to go to the section that says battery, expand it. Right click on this section that says the Microsoft ACPI compliant control battery method and hit on this option of uninstall device. Don't worry, it's totally safe. Once you uninstall it, right click on your batteries option, then click on this option that says hardware changes. Scan for hardware changes, click over there. Now list will refresh and it will freshly install the drivers on your system. Now any battery related issues that you were facing previously will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.